When Adobe Acrobat fails to load its core DLL, there are several possible reasons for this issue. One reason is that Acrobat is likely in protected mode, which limits its access to core DLL files. To resolve this, disabling protected mode is necessary. This can be done by opening Adobe Acrobat, going to Edit and then Preferences, and selecting Security Enhanced from the menu on the left. From there, navigate to Sandbox Protections, where the checkbox for enabling protected mode at startup can be found and unchecked. After unchecking the box, a prompt will appear, and selecting Yes will confirm the change. The process is then complete after selecting OK. Another possible reason for the issue is that the Acrobat application's installation may have had corrupt or missing files. This can be fixed by performing a repair. To do this, go to the Start menu, then the Control panel, and then Programs and Features. Select Adobe Acrobat and choose the Change option. In the installer, check if a prompt to repair appears, and if so, select it and click Next. Allow the installer to complete the repair. Then close the windows. By following these steps, it is possible to fix the issue with Adobe Acrobat failing to load its core DLL.